These how to 1 minute will show you how to add alter tag in WordPress images. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add alternative tags to your image. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and click on Media. Now you can upload a new image by clicking on Add New, but I'm going to selecting a photo from here, and then here you will get the alternative text box. Here you can easily write your alter tags, and this is how we can add alter tags in WordPress image. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.